The first driver I'd like to introduce to you today, driving the world's largest rat rod. It is a 1934 Ford sedan, sponsored by Permatex, Comp Cams, and B&M Performance. From Santa Cruz, California, let's make some noise for Tim Manchester, the California Kid! The next truck up is a 2008 Chevy Silverado, sponsored by Miller Welders and Dart Engine Components. From Colfax, California, he's big, bad, and blown, Miles Parker and Powerhouse! Get ready for the smackdown! The next truck up is the world's largest fire-breathing dragon. He's sponsored by Jazz Racing Products, Stack Crankshafts, and TCI Auto. He's from Ballsboro, Washington. He is John Bruce and Spitfire! You'll swear you've seen this truck before. Sponsored by DJ Safety, Wheel with Brakes, and Power Plus Lubricants. Drive the legendary 1952 Chevy panel truck from Kitsap County Correctional Facility. It is the black and green destruction machine of Dwight Matthews and Identity Theft. Last but certainly not least, it is the husband and wife team from Port Orchard, Washington, sponsored by Safety Clean and Miller Welders. Lorna Payne controls the rear steering and the brakes. Bill Payne controls the front steering and the throttle. Together, they are rock stars! Race fans, right now at this time, all of us at Coos Speedway